Hi guys, I'm back with another short little video. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should join Survey Junkie. The number one reason, this video isn't going to be long, but the number one reason is it's free. I mean, you don't have to spend any money or anything like that. So, if you want to make money online, you don't have any budget or anything like that, you don't know how to run ads and you have no experience, the number one reason is it's free. You don't have to spend anything, so you can join for free. It's 100% free, so that's a good reason to join it. Another reason is they're gonna pay you, fairly decent. The surveys, they pay very well compared to other companies, and Survey Junkie's been around for a long time. They have a good reputation. They're known for paying out people when they give their opinion. So that's another good reason. So those are 2 reasons. And the third reason is, I mean, it doesn't take long to do the surveys. I mean, the surveys normally take between maybe 2 to 5 minutes. I mean, think about it. You're sitting at home or you have some spare time. You might be at your full-time job, or you just might be sitting around on your phone or anything like that, or at your computer. I mean, it doesn't take long, a few minutes to spend to give your opinion, just answering questions, and they're going to pay you money. I mean, that's simple. So those are just 3 reasons why you should join Survey Junkie. And like I said, I've been using them for a while to make some money. The money comes in handy. It's 100% free. You can't really go wrong with that. And if you haven't joined Survey Junkie yet, and you're new to, and you're wondering, if you're new online and you're wondering how can you make money, I tell you, you definitely need to give them a try. Click the link under the video, go to the website, enter your email, sign up, confirm your email, and then just start doing those surveys. I mean, it doesn't take a long time for the money to start adding up. And like I said, it's 100% free. So if you've been wondering, hey, should I, some people search and they wonder, is Survey Junkie good? Are they a reputable company? Are they reputable? And are they worth, your time? Yes, they're worth your time. If they wasn't worth your time, I wouldn't tell you that. And on my channel, my videos aren't going to be very long. I'm just going to get straightforward to the point, and I'm going to give you information that can help you. And the information is 100% free. So click the link under the video, go to the website, sign up for Survey Junkie, complete those surveys, and just start making money. It's really that simple. And until next time, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, so when I upload a new video, you can get access to the information very fast, and it will be beneficial for you, so you can start making money online.